Hi guys, it's me, and I'm here to discuss about integration by partial fractions. So yeah, what is integration by partial fractions? You'll see it right here. Right there. Ang una nating example is integral 3x plus 5 over x squared plus x minus 12. Una nating gagawin ay hahanapin yung factor nito. Ang factor niya is ito, x plus 4 and x minus 3. So, i-equate na natin siya. A over x plus 4, yung first term, plus b over the second term, x minus 3, equals dun sa numerator, tsaka dun sa na-factor na denominator, which is 3x plus 5 over x plus 4 and x minus 3. Tapos, kukunin natin yung LCD nila para hindi sila fraction. Diba? Mahirap yun eh. Then, magiging a times the quantity of x minus 3 plus b times the quantity of x plus 4 equals to 3x plus 5. Tapos, i-distribute yung a tsaka yung b dun sa loob ng parenthesis. Magiging ax minus 3a plus bx plus 4b equals 3x plus 5. Tapos, sasamahin natin yung ax tsaka bx, yung negative 3a tsaka 4b. Magiging ax plus bx minus 3a plus 4b equals to 3x plus b plus 5. Then, itong a tsaka b, i-equate natin siya dito sa 3 kasi pares silang may x. And then, itong mga constant sa 5. So, magiging a plus b equals 3. Kaya wala ng x kasi kinancel out na natin. Pares silang may mga x. Tsaka, negative 3a plus 4b equals 5. Para makuha natin yung letter b, kailangan natin makancel yung letter a. So, para makancel yung letter a, i-times natin tong taas sa 3. So, magiging a plus b equals 3 times 3. So, magiging ito na po siya. 3a plus 3b equals 9. Tapos, negative 3a plus 4b equals 5. So, pwede natin siyang makancel. Tapos, ang matitira na lang ay yung 3b equals 9 tsaka 4b equals 5. Pagpaplasin natin itong dalawa, magiging 7b. Ito naman, paplasin din natin, magiging 14. Simplify natin siya, magiging b equals 2. So, may letter b na tayo. Ang hanapin lang natin ay yung letter a. So, kunin natin tong eto. Magiging a plus b equals 3. Tapos, substitute natin yung 2 dun sa b. Magiging a plus 2 equals 3. Tapos, sa-transpose natin itong 2 dito dahil pareha silang constant. So, ang magiging sagot ay a equals 1. So, substitute na natin yung nakuha nating a tsaka nakuha nating b dito. So, magiging 1 over x plus 4 plus 2 over x minus 3 dx. So, ang magiging sagot niya ay ln absolute value of x plus 4 plus 2 ln absolute value of x minus 3 plus c. That's all. Ang second example naman natin ay integral of 2x plus 8 over x squared plus 2x minus 15 dx. Tulad dun sa first example, kukunin din natin yung factor ng denominator. Magiging x minus 3 and x plus 5. So, i-equate ulit natin siya dun sa formula. Magiging a over the first term, x minus 3 plus b over the second term, x plus 5 equals to the original numerator over dun sa factorized na denominator. Tapos, kukunin natin yung LCD nila lahat. Magiging, ang LCD niya ay x minus 3 tsaka x plus 5. So, times na natin dito sa mga to, magiging a times the quantity of x plus 5 plus b times the quantity of x minus 3 equals to 2x plus 8. Distribute na natin yung a tsaka b dun sa mga parentheses. Magiging ax plus 5a plus bx minus 3b equals 2x plus 8. Pagsamahin natin yung like terms. ax plus bx tsaka positive 5a and 3b equals to 2x minus 8. Tulad dun sa first example, yung a and b times natin dun sa first term sa kabila. Etong positive 5a tsaka negative 3b dun sa second term sa kabila. Magiging a plus b equals 2 and 5a minus 3b equals 8. So, kakancel ulit natin para isang letter lang yung kukunin natin. Kakancel natin itong negative, yung b, negative 3a, 3b. So, times natin siya dito sa taas. Magiging a plus b equals 2 times 3. Magiging ganito siya. 3a plus 3b equals 6. 5a minus 3b equals 8. Cancel. Magiging 8a equals 14. Equals to a equals 1.75 or 7 over 4. Tapos, etong a, i-substitute natin siya dito, sa a dito. So, magiging, eto siya, a plus b equals 2, magiging 1.75 plus b equals 2. So, tatranspose natin itong 1.75 sa kabila. Magiging b equals 2 minus 1.75. And then, yung b is equals to 0.25 or 1/4. Etong sagot natin dito sa b tsaka sa a, substitute natin siya dito sa a and b dito sa nauna. Magiging 7 over 4 over x minus 3 plus 1/4 over x plus 5 dx. And then, ang final answer natin ay 7 over 4 ln absolute value of x minus 3 plus 1/4 ln absolute value of x plus 5 plus c. That's all. Thank you.
So hello guys, today we're going to discuss about integration by parts. So integration by parts has its own formula, like integral of u dv is equals to uv minus the integral of v du. So I'm going to give you some examples on how it works. Here we are given an example of integral of x sine 7x dx. And on the other hand, we are given its formula. So now we're going to separate this x sine 7x. So let's let u as x and let dv as sine 7x. The next step would be, what is the derivative of x? The derivative of x is always 1. And the integral of sine 7x is cos. And since it's signed, it will be negative cos. And we're going to add times 7 here because it is the derivative of the base. So we add something here and we're going to put it here in front. So it would be like that. After getting the derivative of x and the integral of dv, we've come up to 1 and negative 1 over 7 cos 7x. So after we get these two, we're going to put it in this formula. So we've come up with x times negative 1 over 7 cos 7x minus negative 1 over 7 integral of negative 1 over 7 cos 7x times 1 dx. So if we're going to put it on its lowest term, we're going to have our final answer of negative x cos 7x all over 7 plus 1 over 49 sin 7x plus c. For example number 2, we have integral of x squared ln x dx. And on the other side, we have the formula. So let u is equals to ln x and dv as x squared. We switch the position of x squared and ln x because there are some problems that if we follow its order, the answer would be more complicated and would be harder for us to solve. So the derivative of ln x is 1 over x times 1. And the integral of x squared is x cubed over 3 because in the integration, we're going to add 1 to the exponent and then we're going to bring it down. So after having the derivative of u and the integral of dv, we're going to put it on the formula and we're going to have ln x times x cubed over 3 minus integral of x cubed over 3 times 1 over x times 1 dx. And after having that, we're going to have a final answer of x cubed ln x over 3 minus x cubed over 9 plus c.
3.
For example number 2, we have integral of x squared ln x dx. And we have on the other side the formula. So let u ln x and dv as x squared. We switch it because there are times that if you follow its order, it would be more harder for you to solve it. It would be more complicated. So the derivative of ln x is 1 over x times 1. And the integral of x squared is x cubed over 3. So having these two, we're going to put it on the formula. And we're going to come up with ln x times x cubed over 3 minus integral of x cubed over 3 times 1 over x times 1 dx. And for our final answer, we're going to have x cubed ln x all over 3.
Tutumba ako.
Malapit na! Malapit na!
Tutumba